How to handle a personal injury claim involving a escalator accident. Hello and welcome. In today's video we will be talking about how to handle a personal injury claim if you have been involved in an escalator accident. Escalators are a common part of many public places like malls, airport and office buildings, but they can pose serious risk when they are malfunctioning or not properly maintained. If you are someone you know has been injured on an escalator, it is crucial to understand how to navigate the legal process to get the compensation you deserve. In this video, we will break down the essential steps for handling an escalator accident claim, from seeking medical attention to gathering evidence and working with a lawyer. Let's get started. Step 1 is seek medical attention immediately. The first thing you need to do after an escalator accident is to seek medical attention right away. Even if the injury seems minor at first, some escalator injury can be more serious than they appear. Be sure to keep detailed records of all your medical visits, treatment, medication, and any future appointment. This record will be essential when proving the extent of your injury and the cost you have increased. And step 2 is report the accident to the property owner or management. Once you have received medical care, you need to report the accident to the property owner or management. Make sure you get a copy of the incident report. If the property owner refuses to provide one or if no report is filed, it is a good idea to create your own written account of the accident. And step third is document the scene and gather evidence. To strengthen your case, you will need to document the case of the accident and gather evidence. Here is how you can do that. First is photograph of the escalator. Take picture of the escalator where the accident occurred. Focus on the condition of the escalator, whether there were any visible defect. And second is witness statement. If anyone witnessed the accident, such as bystanders, mall employees, or other passenger on the escalator, make sure to get their contact information and ask if they would be willing to provide a statement. And third is maintenance record. If possible, request the maintenance record for the escalator. And four is security footage. In many public spaces, security cameras are often present. If there were cameras in the area where the accident occurred, ask the property owner or manager to provide you with the footage. Security footage can help show exactly how the accident happened and if any unsafe condition contributed to your injury. And step 4 is track your injuries and experience. As you recover from your injury, it is important to keep track of all the way it affected your life. This includes first is medical experience, second is lost wage, and third is pain and suffering, and fourth is other experience. By documenting all these aspects, you will be able to prove the extent of your damage and how the injuries has affected your quality of life. And step 5 is determine liability for the accident. The first is the property owner or manager. If the escalator was poorly maintained or there were unsafe conditions that lead to the accident. And second is escalator manufacturer. If the escalator manufacturer malfunction due to a defect in its design or manufacturing, the manufacturer may be held responsible. And third is escalator maintenance company. If an escalator maintenance company was hired to serve the escalator and failed to repair it properly, it is important to gather all the necessary evidence and determine who is at fault before moving forward with your claim. Step 6 is consult with a personal injury lawyer. At this point, it is highly recommended that you consult with a personal injury lawyer, especially if the injury is significant or the property owner's insurance company is denying liability. A personal injury lawyer will help in the following aspects. First is investigate the accident. Your lawyer can help you gather all the necessary evidence, including maintenance record. And second is negotiate with insurance companies. Your lawyer will deal with the property owner's insurance company. And third is file a lawsuit if necessary. If a fair settlement cannot be reached, your lawyer can file a lawsuit and represent you in court. And seventh is negotiate a settlement or go to trial. Handling a personal injury claim involving an escalator accident requires careful attention to detail and a clear understanding of your legal rights. By seeking medical attention, gathering evidence, and consulting with a personal injury lawyer, you can ensure that your claim is handled properly and that you get the compensation you deserve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any question you have in the comment below. Thanks for watching and take care.